Okay. So you put it on there. And this is the magnetizer, right?
Yes.
Okay. And you set up the voltage at 129. Is that it?
That's it.
Wow, that was quick.
Then we can see the test. We got the instructions.
Okay.
But before that, let's check make sure it's north.
Yep. Yep.
And the other side is south.
Okay.
Then we have this little device in here to check
The rotation, huh?
rotation and also the RPM.
Okay.
Counterclockwise. We need 12.5.
That's the voltage, right?
Yeah,
so that's your power supply there.
Yeah,
So that's about 12. Okay.
then I have my multimeter.
Yeah.
So
Okay.
looking for
12 and a half.
yeah,
Yep.
12 and a half. Oh, it's right there.
Perfect. Yep.
So then we check the RPM.
Okay. And you don't have to take that red cap off.
The RPMs is right here, 35, 60.
Okay.
Then our drive, well, this one is speed up below.
So you would expect that to go up a little bit?
Yeah. Yeah, this one's running little under,
Yeah.
so we can play with magnetization.
So you lower the voltage a little bit on the magnetization, right?
Correct.
Yeah. Okay.